Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat at Happy Easter po. Ako po si Wami Reyes, ang bunsong anak ni former Governor Joel T. Reyes at ni Vice Governor Fems Reyes. I am here facing you today to give my thoughts and feelings about my father. Marami ng linggo ay lumilipas na hindi ko po nakikita o naririnig ang boses ng tatay ko. At miss na miss ko na siya. Since he is busy serving all of you, he had missed numerous events like my graduation and my birthday. But there is only one occasion every year that me and my family are always together. And that occasion is Holy Week. But this year, unfortunately, my father was not with us and I miss him. Alam ko po na ang papa ko ay hindi perfecto. Pero, yung alam ko ay hindi niya kaya pumatay o manakit ng tao. My father is the kindest and funniest person I have ever known. He is not just a father to me, but a friend, guardian, and someone I look up to. He loves my mama, me, my kuya, my ate, and especially all of you. Alam niyo po na siya ay mabait at matulungan na tao because he has been serving Palawan for over 20 years. And yes, he wasn't a perfect leader, but he tried his best to make Palawan what it is today. I hope you'll find it in your hearts to continue your love and support for my father and not believing all the lies that are being spread about him. Let us all be strong and hope for the best. And as my father said, pagsama-sama, kayang-kaya. Salamat po.